Look at stock ticker symbol ETST, currently traded at $2.35. The last time we went through this one was going to be on Friday. That would have put us right here. That circle, that red candle, this little red candle down here. Shout out to whoever brought that to us over here on investorshangout.com /live. Looks like Brando possibly. I believe that this one was mentioned. I just can't pinpoint who it was. It might have been you. So either way, if it was, congratulations. Great job on bringing this to us. Up 40% today. Awesome. Let's take a look at what we could be expecting here. I'm trying to pinpoint everything. So $1.66, I mean, that was way down here. If buying does not pick up, could tap the $1.37. Resistance at $1.77. 30-day simple moving average. Next big resistance at $1.37, which is the next big 30. All right, look at that. Okay, now the tongue twist. I got it all figured out through what I was trying to say back here. All right, so over here, I said the resistance was going to be up here. All right, you're going to need the buying, if buying does not pick up. It did pick up. Turn that around. You guys push you right up to that level, which we were looking at there. 10-day simple moving average is now at 230. When we looked at this last, it was 228. And right there off of that, bam, you guys blew right through that. It's a 222. Moving up to 228, pounded right through there. I would really keep an eye on this one. Look at the close. The close would have been at 167. The open. There's a gap down there. It's a little off of that fill though. I mean, that's not really the gaps that I'm really concerned about. It's usually the gaps that split off of it. And you're not seeing that here. I think that this thing could keep going. I really do. I really like this one. This is a really nice one here. $2.35. You're not going to have too much to really push you past 249. So you're going to be your next stop. If you guys break 249, this thing is going to keep going, in my opinion. I personally would love to see a close above 230. And that's what I'm going to add for here. And we'll hand it over to Joe.
All right, so they had a press release today. It's ETST and Cannabis Therapeutics Incorporated announced its cannabinoid-based neuroceutical patent and generic pharmaceutical drug timeline and update. So Earth Science Tech Incorporated, an innovative biotech company focused on cannabis and cannabinoid research and development, nutraceuticals, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices, based company is proud to announce that its wholly owned subsidiary, Cannabis Therapeutics, timeline for its cannabinoid-based nutraceutical patent and generic pharmaceutical drug completion. So at a meeting with the company's advisory board on Tuesday, February 28th at Le Centre Quebec, in Laval, Quebec, the scientists concluded that the improved CBD hemp oil food supplement was ready to move to prototyping and then to be fast-tracked to commercialization. In addition, 2 cannabinoid-based generic pharmaceutical drugs will be ready for pre-market clinical trials related to drug bioavailability by Q3 2017, depending on the time needed to properly conduct the clinical trials. Both of the pharmaceutical drugs look to be completed by the end of 2017 or beginning of 2018. The first of the 2 generic drugs, an anti-breast cancer drug, is an important advance for the company as breast cancer affects more women worldwide than any other cancer. The components of the anti-breast cancer drug that Cannabis Therapeutics is bringing to market are contained in the World Health Organization's current model list of essential medicines 2015. The World Health Organization model complementary list indicates the essential medicines needed to treat priority diseases such as breast cancer by any healthcare system. And then they go on to tell you more items to note within the meeting, but I mean, with the limitations on everything else. So if you want to continue reading this press release, just type in ETST in the right-hand corner of the Investors Hangout, and you'll go right to that Earth Science board. And from there, you can pull up the press release from today and continue reading that. If you want to do more due diligence, you can go right into the financials, the filings, the time and sales, the company profile. As always, if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it on the message board with the tens of thousands of daily like-minded investors we have using the site.
All right, there you go. $2.35. Like I said, watch for a close above 230. If no gaps, 3.7, which is tomorrow. This can run much higher. Resistance at 250 and $3. Support at 208 and 178. Those are what I'm going to be watching for as far as that goes. You guys see what's going on here. You guys are right up there against those simple day moving averages. You guys get enough momentum to push you past here. It's going to be looking even better. So ETST, like I said, if you follow this stock, watching this video, and you feel that it's helped you, make sure you hit that subscribe and like button. We'd appreciate it very much. Any other hot stocks that you're following, you can let us know over at investorshangout.com/live.